Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reading screen metrics and constraints. Use Media Query to get width, height, and safe areas, and Layout Builder to inspect available box constraints. Once done, declare a small set of breakpoints, 320, 480, 720, 1024, and centralize them. Then create responsive helpers, size to percent, scale text, and spacing functions that take constraints. Make sure to prefer flexible widgets like expanded and flexible instead of fixed sizes, so layouts can adapt without heavy refactors. Now you implement adaptive widgets. Build a responsive widget base that chooses compact, regular, or wide variants using the breakpoints. For text, compute scale from Media Query. Text scale factor and container width so typography stays readable. Use flex and wrap to shift from row to column, and grid view with dynamic cross-axis count based on width/desired item size. Once components are variant-aware, compose screens from those pieces and test with multiple device sizes and orientations to confirm behavior. Finish by auditing every screen. Run Flutter Inspector and emulate several devices and text scale settings. Replace any hard-coded heights with constrained box or sized box with min/max to prevent overflow, and use visibility or animated switcher as graceful fallbacks. If widgets still overflow, check parent constraints with Layout Builder and simplify nested rows/columns. One key troubleshooting tip: when you see overflow, wrap the offending widget in expanded or flexible, then reduce fixed paddings. This usually resolves the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.